Welcome to my channel Living Linux. Today I can show you an early build of Fedora 37 and I will also show you how you can download it yourself. So Fedora has a new desktop background, and the interesting thing is, or at least what I think is interesting, is when you switch to dark mode you also get a different desktop background. And I think that's a nice little touch. So when we check the about, you can see that this is Fedora 37 pre-release, GNOME 43 beta, and it's using Wayland. So the quick test that I did was that I noticed that the sound settings now are persistent, because I'm not really sure if it was Fedora or that it was with Ubuntu, but they all use GNOME, and that the output device would not stick to my HDMI monitor. But I have already rebooted Fedora 37 and now it seems to be persistent. So that's a good thing. And here you can see that we have kernel 5.19. And as I said, it is possible to download it, although, well, for me it was not really easy to find the download link. So when you search for download Fedora 37, then you get just the general website to download the current release. And on the first page, not really clear if there's any information on how to download Fedora 37, but you can go here and then you have to use a little trick. So in my case, I'm on ARM. So let's just say I downloaded the raw image. So instead of left clicking on it, I'm right clicking on it and then I do copy link. And then we go to this link, pub Fedora Linux. And then you're taken to a mirror. So instead of releases, then you have to go to development. And then you can choose 37. And in my case, I downloaded Workstation. And for me, it's ARM. When you have Intel or AMD, you have to take the x86-64. And then you can go either to the images or the ISO. So here you can download the file. So when you're interested in testing an early build of Fedora 37, then now you know where to download it. And well, it can also be helpful for the Fedora team when more people start testing it, because that means that they get possibly more feedback. So that's all for now, and I hope to see you again in my next video.